All litigation has a certain degree of its own kundali, as many seniors have always told me So we as young lawyers would just sit in the court and watch him in operation. And we possibly learnt a great deal about the great injustice which pervades our society and what is the plight of common citizens when they come face to face with power and authority of the state. Those were the judges who taught us our intuitive sense of justice and how they dealt with the problems of injustice which came their way. But we also learnt a great deal about the importance of integrity at the bar. I was arguing a matter before a division bench of Justice Mohta and Justice Junjunwala. You see Devansh there in the third last row, his grandfather. It's a very important case, very high stakes for a sugar factory. We had argued that judges were dead against us. I knew that they were going to be against us, and the matter was finally listed in chambers a day before Diwali. So Justice Mohta turned to me and said, Mr. Counsel, would you like to take your chance before some other bench? It was just a day before Diwali. Now we're not really keen on proceeding with the hearing. Would you like to take your chance and go before some other bench? So I turned to them and said, my lords, I'm totally satisfied that I have said everything that they had to be in this case. And I'm also conscious of the fact that you are dead against me on this case. But I said, I'll rest the case there. Please decide as you now would like to decide. I'm conscious of which way the case is going to go. So they looked at me and said, well, it's very gracious of you to say that, but I think we'll leave this and you go before somebody else. Now we don't want to take this and keep it parted because benches break up after Diwali. So we went before another bench after the court themselves released the matter. Before the new bench, we succeeded with a full refund of tax in that case, which also leads you to believe that all litigation has a certain degree of its own kundali, as many seniors have always told me in the